how to draw a line in Instagram story. Let's begin with the video. To begin with, open the Instagram app on your phone. After that, click on your story at the top left corner to create a new story. Next, select a photo or a video from your gallery. Once your background is ready, click on the three dot icon at the top right. Then select Draw from the menu. At this stage, you will notice a toolbar at the top. Now pick the brush or style you prefer for your design. After that, look at the bottom and click on the color you prefer. Furthermore, adjust the thickness using the slider on the left. Finally, use your finger to draw directly on the screen. Additionally, if you make a mistake, simply click on the circular arrow at the top left corner. Lastly, hit the checkmark icon to confirm your change. Now hit your story at the bottom. And that's all. I hope this video helped.